In this video, we're going to demonstrate the item search functionality and item type within Meter Manager. Let's navigate to the left-hand main menu. Scroll down to Item Search and click. Enter or scan the serial number and click Find. A quick tip is to click on the Advanced button to clear any previous filters so you will search the entire database. When the device information populates, you can see that there's quite a bit of information under the first tab, Electric Meter. You can see the meter status, location, model type, operating area, and more. If you have the warranty information, Meter Manager will track that as well. This can come in handy during the RMA process. As we progress across the top on the menu, the next button is the Ancillary Device button. This will detail the other devices that are paired with the meter. In this case, the meter has an electric module. We see the serial number, type, mode, and date of start. If you wish to choose the device details, we highlight the item, click the Details button, and are presented with a right-hand pop-up with any additional details of information that we may have. The next button is the Tests tab. This tab houses the complete testing history of the device. This particular meter has had only one sample test, probably when it was brought into the shop. If you click on the History tab, you will see the complete history of actions taken regarding this meter from the moment it was brought into the shop, transferred to other locations, or had changes made to its characteristics. If the meter were retired, that history would be captured here as well. The next tabs are for photos, notes, and attachments. These are tabs to be used to house notes by technicians and any other documentation that needs to be a part of the meter history. Let's navigate to the Electric Meter tab to see some other options. We have the ability to retire a meter if necessary. We can change, update, or correct any characteristics of this device. We can change the status or location of the device with the Wrench button. The Wrench button should only be used in extreme cases and may be restricted if desired. This can be a way to fix incorrect information, but when possible, technicians should follow the normal process to do so. The Stock button is to be used to move items from pending stages to stock status. In this case, we can't stock the meter because it's already in stock status. You can see the error message Meter Manager delivers and the explanation. Next, you have the ability to print barcode associated with this device. Next, we'll touch on item type. Navigate to the main menu and select the gear icon. This is the configuration menu. Meter Manager is a highly configurable platform. The goal is to select the right configuration elements and allow Meter Manager to mimic your process. Meter Manager doesn't tell you how to do things. You tell us how your process works, and we will adapt to you. In many cases, we have added functionality for customers where it didn't already exist. Once in the configuration menu, click on Item Types. This is where we will set up the various devices you wish to track in Meter Manager. You will see all of the item types already set up. This can include anything the client wants: access points, batteries, meters, CTS and PTS. We even have clients who track methane sensors. To add a new item, select the Add New button. A right-hand pop-up appears. You will complete the checklist of items presented across the top of the window. You'll name your item, enter a description, check the applicable boxes, and click Next. If your device is serialized, and we'll collect that information here as well, click Next. Specify your sample type, if any. The options for sample testing methodologies can be selected from the menu. Click Next. The Features tab is where we select any particular attributes associated with this item. Select from the list by clicking the box, and click the Add button to apply. Once done, click Save. Finally, the mandatory fields. This is used for devices where certain information is mandatory to be associated with the item. We don't have any in this example. However, the ability to define these attributes is executed here. Click Save once completed. You can see that our test item has been added. It is noted who added it, the date, etc. This is how you utilize item search and item type in Meter Manager.